In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split issues in Jira. If you're working in Jira and you realize that one issue actually needs to be broken into a separate item, the split feature can help you do that quickly. This is useful when a task has grown too large or when part of the work needs to be tracked independently in your backlog. To get started, open your Jira project and go to the backlog. This is where you'll see the list of issues for your board, and it's the right place to manage and reorganize work items. Once you're in the backlog view, take a moment to locate the issue you want to split. Make sure you choose the correct one, since the next actions will apply to that specific item. After you've found the issue, right-click on it. This should open a context menu with several available actions for that issue. Right-clicking is important here because it gives you access to options that may not be immediately visible from the standard issue view. If you don't see the menu right away, just try clicking directly on the issue again and make sure you're in the backlog list. From that menu, click on Split. This tells Jira that you want to divide the selected issue and create a separate item from it. Splitting an issue is a helpful way to keep work organized, especially when a single task contains multiple deliverables or needs to be handled in smaller pieces. Next, enter the name for the new split issue. This is the title that will help you identify the newly created item, so try to make it clear and specific. A good name makes it easier for your team to understand what the new issue is for without having to open it. Keep it short, but descriptive enough to be useful later when reviewing the backlog. Once you've entered the name, click on Split again to confirm. Jira will then create the split issue based on the name you provided. At that point, you should see the new item reflected in your backlog, allowing you to manage it separately from the original issue. And that's it. You've successfully split an issue in Jira. This is a simple but useful feature for keeping your backlog clean, improving visibility, and making large tasks easier to manage. If you're organizing work for a sprint or refining tasks with your team, splitting issues can make planning much more straightforward.